Imagine this, an American nuclear-powered aircraft carrier not being repaired in the US, but in South Korea. Sounds crazy? Maybe not, because it's not a matter of if, but when. In today's world, it's not just about building warships. You need to maintain and repair them quickly, efficiently, and around the world. And that's where things get tricky for the US Navy. Many American naval shipyards are old, overworked, or just too slow. Repairs can take months or even years. Meanwhile, China is bumping out warships faster than anyone else on Earth. Right now, they have over 370 ships, more than the US Navy. Time is critical. Enter South Korea. We build nearly a third of the world's commercial ships. Our shipyards, Hyundai, Hanwha Ocean, Samsung, are high-tech, fast, and massive. They've already built destroyers, submarines, and even carrier-sized vessels. We are not just good, we are world-class. Here is a real example. In 2024, the US Navy sent a giant supply ship, the USNS Wally Shira, to Hanwha Ocean in Korea. It stayed for 7 months, got a full upgrade and repair, and went straight back into service without ever returning to the US. That saved the US months in travel and downtime, and it kept the ship close to China, where things are heating up. Let's be honest, Korean shipyards are simply faster and more efficient. We use smart shipyards with AI and robotics, 3D digital twins for error-free design, modular constructions that's like building with Lego, and eco-friendly propulsion systems even in the military ships. This tech doesn't just help Korea, it helps the US Navy too. And American companies are now adopting these methods to modernize their own yards. Here is why this is a game changer. China is right next door. Having 4 shipyards in Korea means the US Navy can stay closer to potential flashpoints, more presence, less downtime. Korea becomes a strategic logistics hub in the Indo-Pacific. And it's not just repairs anymore. In April 2025, HD Hyundai Heavy Industries teamed up with Huntington Ingalls Industries, America's top military shipbuilder. They are now exploring shared production, meaning parts of a US warship could be built in Korea, then shipped to the US for final assembly. That's real defense teamwork, and it means warships can be built faster and smarter across 2 continents. Now here's the bit most people miss. This also helps the US economy. By letting Korean yards handle early-stage builds or repairs, American shipyards can focus on high-tech work like weapons integration and systems engineering. That keeps US jobs focused on the most advanced, highest-paying work. It also cuts costs and delays, saving taxpayer money. This collaboration isn't just about ships, it's about deepening the US-Korea alliance. By working together, we are boosting naval power and building trust. And more deals are on the way, bringing more innovation, more capability, and more stability to the Indo-Pacific. Do we see a US aircraft carrier getting a full overhaul in Busan soon? Absolutely, and it might just be the smartest move the US Navy can make. South Korea isn't just watching from the sidelines, we are actively helping the US stay ahead of China at sea. It's a strategic edge, and a story most people don't know. If you found this interesting, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more stories like this. I'm Jason, and I'll see you next time.